Hello, welcome to Hippie Mágica, the channel of self-love, magic, and manifestation. I'm doing this video on the highest voted topic for this week that you guys chose, and that was how to manifest your dream job. And so I'm going to do this video for you, and thank you for voting. And today I'm doing the video from my balcony. So here is the gorgeous Mediterranean Ocean. This is my bedroom's balcony, and the temperature is gorgeous this week, so I wanted to take advantage of that. Okay, so I'm going to share with you 3 steps to manifest your dream job. That in these steps I've used to manifest my dream jobs, dream career, dream clients. And yeah, so do it. Make sure to not just watch the video, but actually do it. So go get a paper and a pencil and start writing. And then after, you can pause the video to answer some of the questions, or you can just finish answering the questions after the video. But make sure to do it because it doesn't help to just think about it as much. Okay, so the number one thing to help you manifest your dream job is to answer this question. If money, qualifications, experience, age, and a college degree didn't exist, or they weren't part of you reaching your career goal, what would you do? Like if you didn't have to have the money for it, if you didn't have to have a degree or certification, like what would you do if there was no obstacles between you and this dream job? So you can just close your eyes, see what truly comes up, and try not to judge the answer. Try not to judge what the first thing that comes up. Because a lot of times what we do is we judge. It's like, oh, I'm too old. Like, it's too late for me, it's too much money, I would have to start over. Like, as soon as you start judging your answers, you're done. You're not gonna manifest your dream job. So you need to answer this question without judgment, just neutral. Like, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? It can be 1, 2, or 3 things. So just write, journal, without thinking. It's actually really easy if you don't start analyzing your answers. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2 to manifest your dream job is, after you know what it is that you want for your dream job. So for example, I wanted to, so I've been designing tiny homes and designing sacred geometry spaces for some time, but I haven't really seen any of my work being built. I haven't seen anything like a picture of it. So for some reason, my clients, they just disappear after they buy my services. They're like, beautiful, I love it, thank you, and then boom. It's like I never see them again. So one of my next level dream job is like, okay, I want to see my projects being built. I want to see pictures. I want them to win awards. I want to see a whole construction process. Like, it can be a person or online, remotely, pictures, I don't care. Like, but I just want to see my work being built, right? So the second part of this, once I got my dream job, because I can work designing salons, restaurants, whatever, right? But my dream job is to design homes, right? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful homes, modern homes, right? And then the second part is to get clear on all the details of your dream job, the type of client, the type of project, the sensations of your body. So this is step number 2 to manifest your dream job. Now, once you've gotten really clear on what it is that you want to, what job it is that would fulfill your heart the most, step 2 is to get super clear on the details. So just let your mind run wild on, like, if you were already living your dream job, 1 year after it manifested. Like today is 1 year after. What can you tell me that has happened in this 1 year? Like, just pretend as if you have already been living like this for a year, and then journal all the details, like the type of people that you work with, how much they pay you, the type of projects that you have, how they make you feel, what people say, maybe the way that you're dressing, the way that you hold yourself, where you're living, how you work throughout the day. Maybe you wake up and draw, maybe you go to sleep and you go to sleep in peace because you did what you love. So get really clear on that dream life, like per month, per week, per day, and how you work and the hours that you work. So that's step number 2. So for me, for example, this is a real life example. This actually just happened for me like a couple weeks ago. So I manifested my design being chosen by a client that's going to build his home out of shipping containers in Texas. But when I was visualizing and I was getting clear and journaling on how I wanted the home to be built, I wanted it to be easy. I didn't want to spend hours drawing and figuring out the code, the systems, the construction limit. I'm like, I just want this to be easy. I just want to work super easy. I want this to be the easiest home that has ever been approved by the city, that has ever been built, that has been under budget, that has been built before the deadline, that the neighborhood loves, that is easy to build, that is, like easy, right? So for me, that was the details. Like I want it to be easy and I want it to be built exactly the way I designed it, exactly, no changes, right? And yeah, and it's been really easy, guys. Like I haven't, like this, like I've spent double the stress, double the anxiety, almost double the time doing other projects that I'm not passionate about, that are not as innovative, as creative. There are like salons or restaurants or like, these like boring homes. I've spent more of that energy than I have in this beautiful, modern, creative, gorgeous, one-of-a-kind home out of shipping containers, which I have never done. And I've spent so little time, so little energy, like it's just been easy. It's because I wanted it to be like that. So I got really clear. So that's step number 2. Step number 3 to manifest, to finally just seal the deal and manifest this dream job, is for you to let go of expectations. So this is the hardest part for most of us, right? I include myself. This is the hardest part for me, but I've gotten so more efficient, so much faster at letting go, that like I just know that if nothing is going on, it's because I'm still attached. I'm still trying to control. So it's like I let go. So how do you let go? How do you let go of this desire that you truly want with all your heart? How do you let go of something that you just visualized that's so beautiful? That, like, how do you let go of this, right? So there's several ways, of course, but I'm just going to tell you the top 2 things that help me manifest almost every time, if not every time. Number 1 is being grateful. Being grateful for your situation right now. Being grateful for your life right now. Being grateful for where you are in life right now. For the sun, for the ocean, for you being alive, for you being healthy, for you being here in this life right now, for you having a healthy body, for you even starting to journal on your dream life, for you getting clear, for you taking that action step of thinking of it, of putting yourself energetically of it, and being grateful that even if nothing happens, even if it doesn't manifest, like you're still alive, you're still healthy, you're still good, you have Wi-Fi, like there's other people that would love to have your life, and you are in a place where you wanted to be a few months ago. Yes or no? Like happiness doesn't come with manifestations. Happiness comes with enjoying life right now, and that comes by being grateful. So that's number one, which is the most powerful tool, gratitude of the now. And then the second way to let go of expectations is to not think about it. Distract yourself, do something else. Get busy with stuff that you like doing. So it could be listening to music, drawing, going to the gym, doing stuff. Stop waiting for your dream job to appear. Like, stop, don't put your life on hold. Don't put your life on pause, right? Start living to the max right now. So those are the top 3 things you can start doing right now to manifest your dream job. And as soon as you do the third one, things are going to start to shift for you. Things are going to align for you. You're going to start seeing changes in your life. Like, maybe people are going to start reaching out to you, or you're going to start getting ideas, and you're going to start making connections, and just things are just going to flow. But you need to do all 3 steps. Number 1, get super clear. Number 2, hold on. My partner connected his AirPods to my phone. So do these 3 things. Get super clear on your dream job, like in a big sense, like the big picture, right? It could be you want to draw. It could be you want to make a living being an athlete. It could be you want to make a living through YouTube. It could be you want to make a living by being a self-love coach or a manifestation coach or traveling. I don't know, just whatever lights your heart the most. And if you want to do several things, you can do several things. But just don't judge your answer. Number 2 is get super clear on the details, right? By putting yourself 1 year ahead. And then number 3, letting it go. Don't expect that will bring you happiness. Don't wait for it, pretty much. Just live now in the present moment with gratitude. Well, I hope this was helpful for you. Let me know if it helped you. Let me know if you got clear on your dream job. Let me know anything. What other kinds of video you would like to see from me. I'm going to put next week maybe another poll so you guys can vote. But I had a lot of fun doing this. And tomorrow I have a live self-love tarot session for you guys, so you guys can know what is the highest message that you need to hear right now from your highest self in order for you to love yourself 100% and live your dream life. And that's tomorrow here on my YouTube channel live at 3 to 4 p.m. Central European time. Okay guys, much love, and I'll see you tomorrow in my live self-love tarot sessions.